Hey guys, thank you for watching another Gadget-wide production. In this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the proof of concept of this iOS activation bypass, the permanent solution, okay? Now, it's currently, in my time, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually in the process of compiling the video tutorial and the article so I can post it to the website. But in the meantime, to keep you guys held up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the key files here, and also these files in action on an actual iPhone once the changes have been made. So the file we have here, right over here, that I'm gonna display to you. Alright, this is the primary file here. This file is what is controlling all of the iCloud lock screen and the whole bricking of the phone and everything. So for example, here we have activation state acknowledged. Now this is the change, the modification that I've made already, and I'm going to show you the result on an iPhone 5 right now and show you what happens. Okay, so basically, it starts off with activation state acknowledged. Basically, it's asking, hey, are we activated? This value is true, okay? Brick state is the phone. Are we going to brick the phone? We're going to say no, false. We're not going to brick the phone, all right? Device name, string. In this case, it's just an iPhone 5. First free pair expired. Key equals true. First purple buddy completion, integer with that number. We're not going to play with that. SB at springboard lockdown ever registered key, true. Now this is what locks down your springboard, everything on the desktop, so you cannot access any of the apps. This is what's locking it right here. Okay, so that value is set to true. And then time interval since 1970. I don't know why it's set that way, but it just set that way. I think this is the countdown of when the if you put in certain requests or put in certain values in wrong, it'll count down from 1970 or whatever. I'm not really too sure about that. Time zone. We have a activation ticket. True. Do we have an activation ticket it's looking for? iTunes, has it connected? In this case, it's true. com.apple.itunes delete applications key array. This is a bunch of other stuff that for the most part, you do not need to play with and touch. But what's going to happen here is this. I'm basically going to demonstrate in my video how you can go ahead and access this file here. And once you access this file, I'm basically going to give you the files to directly, to go ahead and directly put into your phone, the phone that's currently bricked, once you do access it. Now, these are not the necessary values that are going to be in the final result. Now, on the phone that I have here that I'm going to show you that's been being demonstrated, for activation state acknowledged, I have it set to, I have this set to activation state acknowledged. I have it set to false. For brick state, I have it set to true. For device name, it's just regular. First free pair expired keys, I have that set to false. First purple buddy completion, I have that, I have not touched that. Springboard lockdown ever registered key, I put that to false. Timer intervals, all of that stuff I did not play with. Use Raptor certs, these are the certificates. These all go to false. Use 24-hour clock, didn't play with that. We have AP ticket, AT ticket, activation ticket, I also went and put to false. And iTunes has connected, I also moved that to false as well. And I believe that's pretty much it. Now, this particular file was extracted from an iPhone 4 and was put into an iPhone 5. So the same thing you guys are going to do once I go ahead and release the files and the tutorial and the video. It's basically going to put this file here along with a few other files into the directory that I'm going to go ahead and pre-assign, and it will give you the result of a unbricked, fully functional phone. Now, I'm displaying this video as a proof of concept because it does work. I know people have been doubting it, but it does work. So the next thing I'm going to show you right now is this working on an iPhone 5 that already has an iCloud account on there. And I'm going to show you the result of that. Just bear with me for 1 second here. Okay, so here I have an iPhone 5. As you can tell, this is an iPhone 5. I have it on a little stand here, but let me just go ahead and take it off just to show you guys. This is an iPhone 5, okay? And this iPhone 5 had a iCloud account on there. Now, once I ran my procedure and went ahead and replaced these particular files, it went ahead and produced this result that I'm going to show you now. Oop, excuse me, guys. Just bear with me for 1 second. Went ahead and produced this result. Okay, let's put my autofocus on here. Okay, so I restarted the phone after inserting those particular files that I extracted from an iPhone 4, then modified on a computer. I then used SSH tool to go ahead and actually insert these files in the root directory. And after I went ahead and did all that, I mean, it's a lot more than what I'm just saying here, but this is just a quick explanation of it. After everything was all said and done, this phone that had an existing iCloud account showed this result. So it says hello. You slide. Now it says to finish setting up iCloud, enter the Apple ID for vdervaderson.me.com. Now you're seeing something new here, guys. I don't know if here. Let's see if we could see this a little better. You have an option here that you've never seen before. One of them says forgot password. The other one says skip this step. Now, I'm sure you guys have never seen this before. Now, due to the modifications that I made to that particular file, it allowed this screen to show up. So I'm going to go ahead and say, you know what? Skip this step. It's going to say, are you sure? I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and skip. Updating iCloud settings. Welcome, get started. And now we are in a fully functional iPhone. That is a fully functional iPhone. How do you like that, guys? How do you like that? Everything works on this iPhone. This is a fully functional iPhone. So this is proof that this does work, and I am producing the files and video and tutorial now, and I'm just posting this video real quick to give you guys, the little bit of hope that you guys need, and just to let you know that, hey, it's coming, it's real, it works. And here I have it on an iPhone 5, fully functional. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So it's working, and I can go ahead and restart the phone, and nothing happens. It works fine. No problem. I'm going to go ahead and show you that as well. Let's give it a second here. All right, let's reboot the phone. A few more seconds here. All right, slide, and we are in the phone. Let's go ahead and run things. Everything is working. Everything is fine. All files are there. So everything is just perfect. See that, guys? Fantastic. Okay. Now, as a demonstration, what I did was I went ahead and enabled Find My iPhone, and I set this phone up to be lost. This is my phone. I set it up to be lost. And after these modifications I did here, I bypassed my own account with the files and certificates, in other words, from another phone that have been modified with the correct specifications inserted into this phone. It actually worked. It actually bypassed all of the lost function, the lost functionality, freezing the springboard, bricking the phone. All that stuff was turned off, as you saw in the previous screen that I was showing you with the options. So it actually gives you a fully functional phone, and also the certificates are removed, which means you can create new credentials for iCloud, and you can make the phone yours. Guys, this demonstration was just a proof of concept, and the final tutorial and video is being produced right now. It's like what, 2 o'clock in the morning right now. Let me see if I could focus in there for you there, guys. It's 2:17 in the morning. I'm still working on it, still working on the article and the video, but here is a proof of concept, so you guys don't lose hope, don't lose hope, don't lose hope, don't lose hope. It's coming, it's here, it's real. Thank you for watching. Please comment on this video, and please visit www.gadgetwide.com, and please register and write some articles and post some news, reviews, whatever you like technology related for the website. Let's help the website grow. That's all I ask that's all I ask in return, honestly. And I will have the final product for you very shortly, possibly within hours, at the most, a day or two. But here is the proof of concept. It's real, and it's true, and it's working. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment and thumbs up this video.